Hello po mga kamotoristang driver. Ito po si Higban Tourist Transport Service. Andito tayo ngayon sa Mount Olis. Ito yung tinatawag nila 360 degree na tourist spot na Mount Olis. Yan. Tingnan nyo kaganda. Nakatungtong pa ako sa bato. Yan, ito yung bato. Tingnan niyo yung mga halaman.
You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. Every moment with you is a treasure. In your eyes I find my pleasure. Hand in hand we'll walk the path ahead. With you by my side I have no dread. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. In the whispers of the wind I hear your name. In the stars above our love will proclaim. Side by side we'll face.
Pinapanood po natin ang sunset. Tingnan niyo yung 300 degrees na view deck. Yan ang 360 degree ng Mount Olis. See the sunset? Sa lahat po ng gustong mamasyal po dito sa Mount Olis, pagtawagan lang po kami para ma-guide namin kayo dito at para ma-enjoy ninyo ang ganitong kagandang tanawin. Hindi kayo magsasawa dito, sobrang lamig. All year round ang weather dito, it's napakalamig, lalo na ngayong January and February. Habulin ninyo sa mga gustong umakyat ng Baguio. Hindi lang Baguio ang pwede ninyo pasalan. Please consider na ang Atok Benguet isa sa pinakamagandang pasyalan.